In this video, I will show you how to write plus and minus symbol on your keyboard. So this is the key, guys, on your keyboard. Once you see your keyboard, so right side top corner you will get this two key. So this is the plus symbol and this is the minus symbol, and you have to press firstly shift and hold. So press and hold shift this key, then press this plus and minus, whatever you need. So press and hold shift, then this plus key or minus key. So, and similarly, guys, this is the for multiply symbol, this one. So thanks for watching, and guys, if you have any separate portion, so you will get the plus minus symbol also in your number portion. In some laptop you will not get the number portion separately, so you have to use this two key for plus and minus. Thanks for watching.